Never solved this puzzle, so let's tell you straight away that it is the subject of an experiment being carried out by scientists at the Building Research Station at Garston in Hertfordshire. In this case, testing the effect of dampness and frost on bricks and mortar. Another test calculates the efficiency difference on a building site between the old way of carrying bricks and new methods. The research station, part of the government's Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, has to deal with a wide range of problems, yet each one is probed exhaustively by a highly skilled staff of backroom boys that includes chemists and physicists, as well as builders and architects. Research into building operations, for example, is carried out along three main lines: the study of productivity and costs, increased mechanism, and new types of construction. Notice that in contrast to the old-fashioned hod, with which a man can carry 12 bricks, this simple cage apparatus can move in one go 50, which means a considerable saving in time, as well as reducing the possibility of breakages. Another important series of tests is carried out to discover what happens to paint exposed to the elements. On this site, strips of paint-coated steel have been exposed to the weather for 6 years, and the appearance of rust is quite noticeable in places. For the rain penetration test, water is sprayed on a 4.5-inch thick brick wall at the equivalent rate of 5 inches of rainfall per hour. The wall is whitewashed on the other side so that any damp patches can be detected easily. And in fact, after 6 hours spraying, the water does sometimes seep through. This strange-looking contraption is a makeshift device for testing the wear on floor materials, in this case lino. But even the toughest materials have to be rigidly tested. Here, a 500-weight concrete beam undergoes a fatigue test that might last anything from a few hours to 14 days. And finally, what looks like a mannequin parade, a highly technical investigation into the forces exerted by a foot on the floor during normal walking. Actually, this test is to collect the necessary data to design a machine to speed up wear tests. Even such apparently minor points as the changing area of contact of the foot with the floor, whatever that means, are calculated with the help of photography. A tribute to the thoroughness of scientists today.